Amorim, he is too nice. No, 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 no. Premier League manager, especially a big team like Manchester United manager, he is too nice. See, as a manager, you have to work for the team. Don't try to make every player happy in disadvantage of the team or in the course of the team. Do things or take decisions that will help the team to win football games. Yes, don't fear the players. If they are not executing your tactics, let them know you are not doing what I tell you to do. Player A, do this. Player B, do this. But when Amorim is on the touchline, he's just standing idle or do his thing like that, the way he always squat. No. Manchester United manager, you must be active on the touchline. If things are not going well, tell them, don't be quiet. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Manchester United won the game in a hard way. They managed and won their game. In fact, Manchester United, see, they still have a long way to go. Yes, they won, and it's good for them. Yes, to ease the pressure. But actually, a lot of things has to change. They have to improve. Manchester United have to change. And this international break, I can say that is good for them. So that when they go, maybe some of the pressure will ease. Yes, it will go down. The expectation will come low. So that the players will re-energize and come back from the international break. By the way, let's analyze United Burnley. I watch it 90 minutes plus the extra time. Some of the things I observe in this United team. See, guys, first, their defense, no awareness. Their defense, no awareness, no concentration. They are just standing as players. They are just standing as bodies. Nothing to show. When they are playing, as if like they forget that they are playing football. Look at the goals that Burnley score. The guy who scored the first goal, their striker, he just showed his hand like this, that they should cross the ball to him. And nobody was marking him. United defenders. Nobody was marking him. All of them were standing. No concentration, no awareness. Big team as United. And their defenders doesn't have awareness. Their defenders cannot defend for their life. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. So that is why some fans can say that like this problem is not from the coach. No. Because if they cross the ball and your defenders can't go and defend or make it difficult against the attackers, at this place, what can the manager do? Or is it that Amorim should come into the pitch and tell them how to defend? No. These guys started playing football since their infancy. Since when they were 6, 7, 8 up to now, and they don't know how to defend in football. They don't know how to defend in football. Manchester United defense is nothing but shambolic. They won, as I said, to ease the pressure. It's good. But sometimes you look at the way a manner you win. You get the 3 points. But, Charlie, if it were to be a better team, it will be a different story. It will be a different story. So, first of all, one thing I observe in this United team is their defense. Lack of awareness. Even look at the second goal. Look at the second goal. The keeper punched the ball. Immediately you are playing a game and your keeper punched the ball. That means that he trusts you, the defenders, the center backs. He did his part as a keeper. You, the center backs, you, the defenders, you must rise to the occasion and clear the ball out. They were just standing and forget that they are playing football. Third, Burnley player came and put the ball at the back of the net. No. This kind of defense cannot be in a big team like Manchester United. So that is the first thing I observe in this United team. And the second thing I observe is their attack. See, apart from Mbeumo, nobody is clinical. Nobody is dangerous. Nobody can cause havoc and damages. Their attack is off. They can't create. Even if they create, they can't score. United, and you want to make top 4 or you want to win the Premier League, you can't create, you can't score. Apart from Mbeumo who play well, when Mbeumo is on the ball, you can see him being dangerous. You can see he is trying to do something positive. He's trying to do something magic. But apart from him, all their attackers who started Kunha, Mount, Ziggy, they can't score. They are not being clinical. And goals win you football games. If you want to win football games, you must score. No. You must score to win football games. You must score to climb the table. and United attack is off. It is not looking like a team who's paid 200 million plus for an attackers. They can score. They can score. So United attack is off. They are not clinical. Yes, they can score. They can finish their chances, take up their chances. The creativity is also not there. And see, the place Amorim is playing Bruno, he is reducing his qualities. I'm telling you, the midfield position that Amorim is playing Bruno, that is not his position. Yes, he can play there, but you will not get the best of Bruno. Bruno is a creative player, direct player, goal scoring player. This kind of play, they must be near to the box, not far away from the box. No. So guys, United, their attack off. They are not clinical. They can't score goals. And another thing I learned about this United team is Amorim. Amorim, he is too nice. No. Premier League manager, especially a big team like Manchester United manager, he is too nice. See, as a manager, you have to work for the team. Don't try to make every player happy in disadvantage of the team or in the course of the team. Do things or take decisions that will help the team to win football games. Don't take decisions that will make some players happy. If a player is not playing well, bench him and play those players who are on form. Don't play players or don't do substitution because player A is complaining that he's not getting playing time, or player B is complaining that he's not getting playing time, and at the end it is costing the team. Why should you substitute Casemiro off? He was in the game. Immediately he substituted Casemiro off. Manchester United midfield went vulnerable. It went open. So for me, I think Amorim look like, let me say, he fears some of his players. Like he don't want any player to blame him. So he's doing some substitutions to make every player get a minute. It doesn't work that way. Manage the club. Do things that will help Manchester United as a team, as a manager. Do things that will win you football games. Take decisions that will get you the 3 points. Not to favor or to make everybody happy. It can happen. All the players cannot play. At the end of the day, out of all the players, you have 11 men to choose from. And choose the best players who will give you the results. Choose the best players who will give you the 3 points. If not that, at the end of the day, they will sack you. And the players will be there. These players, they are there when they sack Ole Gunnar, when they sack Ten Hag and co. So as a manager, don't be too nice. Amorim is too nice. No. And another thing I observe about Ruben Amorim is on the touchline. See, as a manager on the touchline, when things are not going well, see, point to the players. Tell the players that, okay, this thing is not going well, do it this way. Yes, don't fear the players. If they are not executing your tactics, let them know. You are not doing what I tell you to do. Player A, do this. Player B, do this. But when Amorim is on the touchline, he just standing idle or do his thing like that, the way he always squat. No. Manchester United manager, you must be active on the touchline. If things are not going well, tell them, don't be quiet. Yes, I wish United lost, but Charlie, at this point of United life, in fact, we even feel sympathy for them. Yes, but the way they won, it will ease the pressure, and this international break came good for United. Yes, this international break, I can say that is United international break. Form are temporal. Yes, they can come back and things change. So, guys, these are the things I learned from our brothers Manchester United game. United 3, Burnley 2. In fact, Burnley also. How on earth? See, as a team, when you score, you are most vulnerable. Yes, a team who always score are vulnerable. Yes, you are happy. You are not onto the game. Your mindset, your brain is no more into the game because of the celebration. So when you score, go back and pack the bus. But immediately all the 2 goals that Burnley scored, they became open trying to score again. No. You are playing against a team. They are home. United, they are home. If not because recently United is not doing well, how can Burnley be United? I can't even believe when the game was about to end, United players were talking to the referee to end the game. No. That is bad for United. United playing against Burnley and praying for the game to end. No. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about this United game, and I gave you my review about our Chelsea game. And our Chelsea game, my 3 things we learned from the game is coming there. I will mention your score predictions and your name. So please turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more football fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.